Phil, you ready for your close-up?
Always, man.
Alright, so before we get started there, Phil's gonna show us or tell us how this alarm shit works, because I don't know.
I can't give you all my secrets, bro.
Just give him
You gotta read it. That's it. It's very
well,
simple.
basically what Phil did, he took this thing and he made it compatible for the GTR. That's what he did.
So all alarms are universal. It's just you gotta know what wires to tap into what, and out of here you gotta know exactly what you gotta tap into, what's necessary. So rest of it is testing wires. Which one's ignition? Ignition 1, ignition 2, bypassing the clutch, your relays, the door actuators, the siren, turning 42 pins into 13 that you need. But that's pretty much it. You got your siren, you got your triggers for, you know, the brake, the doors, the clutch, e-brake, and then the rest of the ignition wires. You got to run your wire for the antenna, and that's pretty much it. Pretty simple if you know a little bit about electrical and what you're doing.
Alright, sweet. And we also have to put the, this is called door trigger, right?
Door actuator.
Door actuator, we
Yep.
gotta put this on. And that's really about that, and put in the horn in the under the hood. But other than that, it should be pretty straightforward. Because actually you kind of have to mess around with this a little bit to get it just right.
That's right.
I tried one before and I kind of didn't do it that great. So I'll be trying this again today.
Hell yeah.
But first I'm going to be moving some of those LEDs in the back to a different location, a better location. And we'll check in with you guys in just a few minutes. So I think he's running the antenna right now, right?
That's right.
Come in here for a closer look. He's tapping off the wires. The antenna is right here on the deck. It's not stuck in yet, but there it is right there. You're running it all the way around and down. I think I'm gonna get the flathead because I'm gonna start scraping off the paint for the run the horn through, the horn wire.
Yeah, oh yeah, you can start working on the horn.
Hey Phil, me so horny. I get it.
Buy the motor, it's my car. You ship it. All I want to keep is just the 2 turbos. I'm gonna need. You know, if I flip it instead of for 2 grams. Just so I can get out of the house. Solid deal. I know I had the 50, the Nismo.
This car sounds really good.
I don't feel motivated at all. God damn.
Where's you going?
Yo. Went to his house.
Okay, so the horn line is now running through the firewall. He's got it on the inside. I think what's next is we need to start working on the door
Start working
actuators.
on that, bro.
What's up?
Where's that boost controller at? Just touch my fucking bed. This shit. Yeah, you can start working on the door.
Start working on the door.
Bracket.
Setting up this bracket. So for this, we're gonna need a drill, and we're gonna need some of these self-tapping screws. to get started on this. Door actuator is on. Once we get power, we'll be able to test it more. But essentially, opens, it moves, close it, it moves. So that's the door actuator. And then once we get power, we'll check it out. Until then, fill's still being filled, all cool and shit.
So guys, oh hold on, let me make sure you get my good set. Oh yeah, I just got done working on this.
He literally wired that in 1 minute.
Yep.
World record.
Ready? Done.
Boom. Internet magic. How old do you think these speakers are though, man? They look like old as fuck.
They are. These are cones still, like the cardboard.
Yeah.
Well, we do have your door panel.
We don't have speakers. But if I want to change my speakers, it's not going to be that much work.
No, I want to say, I don't know, these are kind of weird. You got to make sure you get the right ones to fit in here.
Yeah.
I want to say these are 6 or 6.5. Well, these look like they fit perfect for this. They're so cool. That's totally a Japanese brand. Man, look at that.
I want to find that one dude had them in the pillar.
Yeah.
I want to find those.
Rare shit, man. I've never seen that. That's cool.
Yeah, car's coming along though, man.
And it is.
Drop a comment down below if you like Phil. Let's try to get Phil 100 likes.
Fuck the likes. I want some subscribers. Oh wait, for your channel too.
Yeah.
Get the
Hey,
likes first, then.
if we get 100 likes on this video, Phil will start a YouTube channel.
I will.
Yeah.
I will.
100 likes.
Yes, I will.
He'll start a YouTube channel.
Yes, I'll teach you guys the secrets on how to do the alarms.
Yeah.
I gotta see those numbers first though.
Yes, see the numbers first. What do you think about 30 minutes worth of being done? 30 minutes. 30 minutes. We're gonna get some of the stuff wired up and we'll be testing the alarm to see how it works. I'm super excited because I've literally wanted this for how many months? For a while, and then like the accident happened, and then I had to wait to get the car back. Pimp shade's back on. Yeah, there we go. I've been waiting for this for a while, so we're gonna get finished up here and we'll be back. Bill is just finishing up the wiring. It only took him like a second to do because internet magic. We're just finishing this up. I think we'll be able to test the actuator in a second, right?
Yes, sir. We're going to test the whole system. Matter of fact, you could get that battery going and you should be good.
It's actually not a battery, it's a battery. Battery is when you beat somebody.
Ah, okay.
But we can get battery going, just like hopefully it's not you or I, or they're only receiving in the battery. Just a fun fact. But yes, in English, it is pronounced battery. It's not a battery, it's a battery. That's how you say it. So I'm gonna get this hood back up, and then we should be testing the system shortly.
Here, what?
Let's do it. Give it some gas.
Oxford.
I don't think it's closing all the way. Lock it? Oh, yeah, works.
Cool. All right, now for the program. This is a secret. This is one you got shut off for. I just want to make sure that it works.
Secrets. Can't show it to you. Like, Yeah. So after we get it started, what do we got to do to...
So I'm going to check all the checks real quick. What I mean by that is I have some safety features as far as like the e-brake, the brake, make sure that your lights turn on, which they did. So this is your running lights. Do me a favor and make sure that your running lights are on.
Good to go. Back lights are on.
And I'll just check my safety features. Yep. Cool. Check my other safety feature. Remote start air. That's what I want. It's gonna flash. Let me know as a programmer what the problem is. Check northern. Alright, awesome. So now we'll just get this, put this back, make sure that it locks, and easy day. Now you got a remote start on a
Let me go closest.
R33 Skyline manual. Check that out. And a nice little turn. Okay, should be good.
Start her up. Comment down below if you think this is awesome.
Manual car, remote start, programmed for 12 minutes. You got your two-way remote. But it needs one. He's up in California. I'll hook you up.
Where you headed back to?
I'll be in San Diego area.
If you want to see this, if you want to see his car on the smoking tire, comment down below and I'll email Zach. We'll get this car back here on the smoking tire. I think that would be awesome. Get some exposure for your car when you get back.
Love it.
But yeah, man, this is amazing. I've been wanting this for a long time and now I have it. So when we have the car remotely started, what's the next step?
So the alarm's smart enough to know the rumble of an engine and a break-in. So right now it's unlocked, right? What does the key fob say? Okay, it's unlocked.
Yeah.
So ideal situation, you have it locked. Lock it. Nice front press. Okay. So they're locked. No one can get in. If you hit this door hard enough, it's going to know the difference between a rumble and a break-in. So go ahead and hit the unlock button. You'll see that your cluster lights are still on for the fact that the remote start's still on. So what you do is you get the key, you'll stick in the ignition, and then you're going to give it 2 turns. 1, 2, and then you're going to tap the brake. Oh, you need one more turn. I'm sorry, it's on accessory. Try it again. Take it all out. So it's locked to accessory, accessory to on. So you just did 1 click. My bad. Maybe the side button right here. Yep. That middle one, just a good, nice firm press. Cool. So then it's just 2 good clicks. The last thing you don't want to do is freaking try to do that full crank, which is a start. So stick it in, just turn it to on. Click, another 1 more click. You're fine, don't be scared, yep. So if you did it 1 more time, you would have to fully crank the whole thing over again. So hit the brake. That's it. You can drive off into the wind, and it lets you know right here, remote start off. So it's a 2-way. It's cool because if you're out of range and you press the button, it'll say remote start error. So you know when your car started, you know when it's not started. And that's the beauty of it. You don't have to use a remote start. You can just put the key in, start it like normal. With this platform, there's so much stuff you can do. So you can have the window module where you press the lock button and all of the windows roll up. You can have the trunk release like me. Press 2 buttons with the programming, my trunk pops up. You can do the hood pin with this one, the GPS tracker, the remote start, you name it, you can do it with your alarm.
That is awesome. Phil, we appreciate you. Make sure you follow this guy on Instagram. Remember, 100 likes, this guy will start a YouTube channel. So let's get this guy on YouTube. Yeah, let's do it. But we're gonna wrap this vlog up here. All we have to do is just put the car back together at this point. So all you guys need to do is just like, comment, subscribe. This is my dream car. This is our dream cars. We have our dream cars right here. We'd love to share them with you guys. So like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next vlog.